Hello, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be showing you the new subscription products for February 2022. We're going to start with the Stamp and Die of the Month. Our Stamp of the Month this month is Hey Chickie, and it has the most adorable little spring chicks. We've got one with flowers, one under the little umbrella with its little rain boots on, and we've got a bunch of them here inside an umbrella sitting on some water. They're super cute and ready for your spring cards. The sentiments say, "Hey Chickie, spring greetings, showering you with love, glad we're in this together." So they can be used for lots of different occasions. You can order just the Stamp of the Month and receive the 4x6 stamp set each month. Or you can order the Stamp and Die of the Month and you'll get the 4x6 stamp set along with the coordinating dies. This month, I've also given you the dies to cut out the sentiments as well. Before we take a closer look at our Crafty Courtyard Kit contents this month, I'd like to thank all of our subscribers for being subscribers. We truly appreciate each and every one of you. As you know, we've sent out notices that we had to do some updates to our system. It's unfortunate that we found out with those updates, we were going to lose all of our subscriptions. Imagine how scary that is to go from what we've built up over the years back down to zero. It's pretty scary for us. So we love you all, and we truly hope that you'll come back and reorder the subscription this month. Sign back up for your Stamp of the Month, your Stamp and Die of the Month, and your Crafty Courtyard Kit. I'm not showing the free items, but if you sign up for the Stamp or Stamp and Die of the Month, you're going to get a free stencil. It's an exclusive stencil that won't be ever sold. So that'll be exclusive to you if you sign up for the Stamp or Stamp and Die of the Month. If you sign back up or sign up for the first time for the Crafty Courtyard Kit this month, you're going to get a 2x6 stamp set. It's exclusive to you right now. We will release that stamp set later on in the year, but for right now, you guys will be the first to get it. And that'll be just a free item for saying thank you for subscribing and resubscribing here in February. So let's take a look at this beautiful kit we have for you this month. The theme is Dragonfly Dreams. We've got some beautiful dragonflies and some lovely little floral patterns to go along with it. On the back, we list all of the contents that are inside your box, along with a color palette, and we tell you where to join our Facebook group so that you can see inspirations from others as well as share your creations too. Let's take a look at the cardstock this month. You're going to get your 2 sheets of 110-pound ice rink white cardstock, and we've got 5 sheets of colored cardstock. So we have 2 beautiful teals, one dark and one light. We have a buttery yellow, a really lovely deep green, and a pale pink. As always, you get your handy dandy project bag. This is a zippered mesh bag. Nice to keep lots of your kit contents together. Maybe you travel and craft on the go. That's perfect for that as well. And here's all the goodies that are inside your bag. We've got the exclusive sequin mix this month. Some beautiful iridescent pastel sequins, different shapes and sizes. Got even some little flowers in there. This is a beautiful mix and would make some great shaker cards. You're going to get some envelope seals. We've got beautiful enamel dots in the colors that coordinate with the kit. You're getting a 6x6 paper pack. And I'll just go through a few of the patterns in here. There's 24 sheets in this one, and there's 24 different patterns. Because they're double-sided, you get 2 of each. We've got a nice polka dot, some beautiful floral on the back, some leaves with some pretty flowers. We've got some tone-on-tone plaids. We've got some more flowers on the back. We've got some polka dots, some stripes and flowers, some little petite flowers. Here's some beautiful little flowers and leaves. We've got some more tone-on-tone plaids, some different florals on the back, some more tone-on-tone polka dots, and even more different florals. You got different color combinations, and one more smaller polka dot there with some different flowers. These are just gorgeous. I know you can create tons of beautiful cards with these. Grab a sheet of the cardstock so that I can show you the stencil. So the stencil this month is just a really nice dragonfly background. Can make lots of fun things with that. We've got a 6x6 embossing folder. This is gorgeous. It's going to emboss this beautiful leafy floral pattern on your paper. I can't wait to play around with that. And finally, we have our 6x6 stamp set. This is exclusive to the kit. We've got some really nice dragonflies. This one has flowers for its wings on one side. We did a similar butterfly last year, and I thought, why not do a beautiful dragonfly? I love it. And we've got lots of nice sentiments to go along with this. Just because, spread your wings and fly into the direction of your wildest dreams. You were meant to soar. For you and your special day, congratulations. Thoughts of you fill my days with joy. Live each day to the fullest. Wishing you well. Hello, I believe in you. Happy birthday. I miss your smile. I am sorry for your loss. So I've tried to include lots of different sentiments for different times and occasions there. Last but certainly not least is the coordinating dies for the stamp set. So you can cut out all of those dragonflies that are in the stamp set. Thanks again for joining me today, taking a closer look at our February 2022 subscription products. Remember that if you've been a subscriber before, you will not automatically get the February Stamp of the Month, Stamp and Die of the Month, or the kit. All of our subscriptions have been canceled due to some software updates. We do apologize for this inconvenience. Believe me, it is definitely not what we wanted to happen, but we appreciate you coming back and subscribing again so that you can continue to receive your happy mail every month. So you'll need to head over to pinkandmane.com, sign up for the monthly subscriptions that you're interested in. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.